This little table promises to be the ultimate outdoor companion, but can it really handle the chaos of camping and picnics? Let's find out. The TOPCHANCES folding camping table is surprisingly sturdy for how lightweight it is. What really impressed me are those independently adjustable legs. Seriously, setting this up on uneven ground at the campsite was a breeze. No more wobbly drinks or food sliding off. It's made from aluminum, which gives it that durable feel without making it a pain to carry. It folds down incredibly small, fitting easily into the car trunk, and the included carrying bag is a nice touch. The tabletop is ABS resin, and they claim it's waterproof and heat-resistant. I can attest to the waterproof part, a spilled drink wiped away instantly. I haven't tried putting a scorching hot pan directly on it, but for general use like holding plates or a portable grill, it seems to hold up well. Cleanup is genuinely easy, which is a huge plus when you're out in the elements. What I love is its versatility. It's not just for camping. It's perfect as a side table for backyard barbecues, a little workstation for outdoor projects, or even an extra surface for holiday gatherings. It really does transition from season to season, and from indoor to outdoor use seamlessly. The maximum weight recommendation is 45 kilograms, which is pretty substantial for a portable table like this. It feels solid enough to hold a good amount of gear or food. Overall, the TOPCHANCES folding camping table is a well-designed, practical piece of gear. It's stable, lightweight, easy to clean, and incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a reliable portable table for your outdoor adventures, or even just for extra space at home, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.